Today I'm completing the Iron Tumpeto collection with a knife, and it's not a normal knife, it's a butterfly knife. Thanks everyone who suggested this. That doesn't mean that I'll never come back to the Iron collection though, but for now other skins are planned.
Thyros.exe.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe comment your skin ideas below. It doesn't only have to be Tumpeto skins, so I'm happy to see what you come up with. I started when I was completely sleep deprived. It was around 8 in the morning and I hadn't slept at all. I drew this in my sketchbook and collected some original reference from the Iron collection. I really like the HUD/hologram on the operator. It's quite a shame that this isn't in the game. I took notes of every cool thing I wanted to add and then finally started with modeling. I opened Blender and began. In my first version I started with the handles. I came quite far, but I think it looked like a CSGO skin. And we don't want that here. So I started over. This time I took note of the Iron design. The skins have this crease in the main body that splits at the end. I did this with all my previous Iron skins, so I created this form. The only problem was that it didn't look that sleek. Then I remembered that the handles didn't need to be symmetric. So I deleted one of the handles and split the other in two, where the crease was. Then I added the black grip with the blue line. Another distinctive feature of an Iron skin. Now, if you turn it 90 degrees, ta-da! You can see what I was going for. It looks like it's part of the main body. Then I added a cylinder to finish off the lighter. Okay, the reason for this actually is to have a reference point in Photoshop on how long the blade can be. I came up with this shape and I think it flows beautifully with the handle. I added the blade and then struggled what material it should be. And yeah, I also added the hologram. I settled with this for now, and then started to work on a quick rig so I could turn the handles and see where they overlapped, so I could reshape them. I also added the disintegration effect to the blade. And now you're maybe wondering where the hologram is. Here it is, but it doesn't stay for long. I decided to not use it because I think it looks way cleaner without it. But I added the battery indicator to the blade, so it didn't look too empty. Then I finally reshaped the handles so they could now actually turn around 180 degrees. I started finalizing all of the parts until I had this. The modeling and most of the texturing is done now. So what could be next? The animation, of course. Normally I would skip over this phase, but I think this is really cool. I created this bone rig earlier to animate the opening. It looks fine, but I wanted more dynamic openings. So I created this really cool IK rig. That means when I rotate the blade, the handle stays in the same spot but are still attached to the blade. Normally without IK, when I would rotate the blade, everything would rotate with it. So IK makes animation way easier. Now, after all of the animations were done, I hit render on all my scenes and then... I hope you enjoyed the video so far, but before I show you the animation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And sadly, next week there isn't going to be a new video for me. I need to take a week off, so I don't get burned out. Hope you can understand. But now, let's watch the animation!